we got security behind us. Let's go.
10X out there, 10X! You guys ready? Are you ready? Get up, man. What's up, baby?
We're going to be wearing our underwear.
Yeah! Come on, man, get back in there! Where you going, dude?
I'm waiting for you.
Get your ass in there, get your ass in there. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Good to see you.
Come on, get in there, girl. How you doing? How you doing?
I'm on your Instagram right now, dude.
Awesome, dude. Awesome, dude.
Can I get a picture?
Oh,
Yeah,
thank
yeah,
you.
I'll see you in there, though, okay?
Real quick, real quick.
Yeah, get it quick.
Really?
All of life is about selling, and this guy is going to teach you how to sell. He's the greatest living sales anyone ever wrote.
It's been an amazing weekend, but now, we're going to learn, and I'm trying to build this program so that it's just a continuous learning program. But now, we're going to learn how to make money. So, our next speaker, I've been trying to get him on my stage for 2-3 years. He is the greatest salesman living on earth. He has $1 billion of real estate of his own. He's raised $100 million for real estate in the last 90 days. But most of all, he knows how to make money and how to help people make money. So I love him as a fanatic. I begged him for 2 years to come on my stages, and we could never sing our schedules. But today's Sam Sale is going to be very special. What do we call him? Let's go! Stand up! Let's go! Take out of here and use to make money. Every single word. I've already shared with you one thing. Okay, you want to write this down. People laugh when people think. No. This planet cares about what you do. It only rewards people to get attention. It only rewards people to give more value than they give back they take. Okay? You will not get what you deserve from this planet. You will get what you negotiate. Like my dad said, 2 things. Invest in yourself and learn the sales game. Thank you very much. That was the greatest speaker ever. That was the greatest speech I've ever heard. He's amazing. Just fucking amazing.
3 cities, 1 day, on our way to Phoenix. Just finished talking to 8,000 real estate investors in San Mateo. Blew their minds about how sales and real estate are connected. Look, in real estate, you don't really have a real estate problem. You got a sales problem, okay? I look forward to working with you in the future. We're blowing out of here, man. Whoa! Whoa! It's a great life. It's a great life, man. Do what you got to do to live the great life. It's a blast out here on the road. I look forward to meeting you, okay?